Working on a 2016 Dodge Charger, the 3.6 liter one. Right now it has the thermostat. The reason why it says intake air temperature is because I removed the sensor out. So right now the car is having the thermostat problem. So the code earlier showing was the intake air temperature. I took out the sensor, that's why it says that. Right now is the thermostat. And then I took out the that little drain plug right there. Open it up. So here's the new thermostat. It's only 2 bolts. Here's the old one. For the coolant, you only need to drain out like just half. You don't need to drain all. Make sure you clean the surface. Use a razor, clean it out, make sure it's smooth. The bolt, just tighten it down to around 12 to 15 foot-pound. Now for you to bleed the car, it's this screw right here. You will hear the air coming out. There you go. It's done. That's it. So after everything is back on, the air duct is back on. After you finish bleeding, check the reservoir one more time, fill it up to the mark. So here is the code one more time. Now I'm gonna, after everything, I'm gonna clear it. Okay, start the car. And make sure you go out and check for leak one more time.